Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video we want to eat our pap rice we prepare and with this plantain akara. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel how we prepare the two of them. Okay, follow us as we want to eat. See your bumbo.
Come on, to birthday party. Mommy.
Philip, the log better than you are. Coming. Philip is hot or small. Wait. This is rice pap with milk. Oh, Philip, wait. Wait. Leave it. Beautiful people, this is our breakfast.
I would take this.
Come and join us.
So, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is very wonderful breakfast. Okay,
Mommy,
both of these breakfasts are on our YouTube channel. This is this is not the regular akara. This is plantain akara. Okay, and this is rice. That is rice pap with beetroot. So crunchy. Philip. Wow. This is over delicious.
Mommy,
It's hot.
not.
The plantain we used was the one we harvested just 2 days ago. How we harvested it is on our YouTube channel.
Philip,
Banana.
eat akara.
Philip,
It's hot.
Philip, take akara. It looks like ice cream, but it's not ice cream. It's pap because of the beetroot effect. So crunchy.
Akara.
The mackerel fish
Mm.
is nice inside the plantain akara.
Mm.
Really?
I can eat this all day long. Mm.
Mommy, what's the pepper?
Eat.
Oh,
Good one. Yeah, Julia.
Please like, share.
So good comment.
Comment.
Manila said comment.
Mm. Mm. Beautiful people. Honestly speaking, you need to try this. You see how the akara is made, the plantain akara. We purposely didn't want to use blender because using blender, there's no how you blend a plantain with blender. You add water, and plantain will not, that water, it's going into the oil. So it's best, like if you really want to get this quality, try using maybe etowel bowl, okay? Or it's not everybody that will have this grinding stone, something that will allow you to grind the plantain at least to 80% to 80 to 90% smooth, and avoid putting water because the pepper too has some water, and oh,
Yummy.
yummy. Philip says yummy. Continue. Mm. Mm. It's not all.
Yummy.
Mm. These onions.
Daddy butterfly.
Yes, butterfly.
If you want to prepare this plantain akara, try and add like crayfish or fish, mackerel fish. You will enjoy it.
To give you that spicy taste. What? Uncle? Eat. and the color, the beetroot.
It's color. Good.
At a distance, it looks like more like ice cream. I mean the pap.
Yeah.
It's not ice cream. Let me show viewers what we are eating.
What is it, man? Peaches.
Viewers, this is Philip's own, and this is the beetroot rice pap beetroot, and this is our plantain akara. Okay, and this is Manuela's own.
See your mouth. Close your mouth, you know.
Philip. You are enjoying it? Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay.
Color.
Touch it, Leah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, I miss my plantain akara.
Eat it.
Your shoe, okay. Take. These are the kind of breakfast after eating. If care is not taken, you want to just relax. Because you know what you have eaten deserves some accolade of relaxation. Mama, is it yummy? So yummy. So, beautiful people, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the notification bell to all.
Like, share.
Share.
Mana, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mwah.
Philip, say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.